Look up high into the sky. During the bright daytime, what do you see? You will see a very big bright light. That amazing light is our sun. The sun is incredibly special to us. It is a star, a giant ball of fire. It is the star of our solar system, our very own star shining brightly. It gives us light every single day. It helps us see the world around. The sun is located far out in space. It is millions and millions of miles away. But it is so very important for Earth. It is like the king of our solar system. All the planets, including Earth, go around it. Our home, the planet Earth, circles the sun. It takes a whole year to go around once. The sun's strong pull keeps us all together. Without the sun, planets would float away. It is the center of everything here. Imagine our solar system as a giant family. The sun is like the main parent figure. The planets are like the many children. They all stay quite close to the sun. The sun gives us wonderful bright light. It also gives us comforting warmth too. Without our sun, it would be always dark, and it would be very, very cold on Earth. Too cold for us to live here. We need the sun's gentle heat. So remember, the sun is a star. It is not just any star in the vast sky. It is the star that is closest to us. That is the reason it looks so big, and that is why it is so bright. It lights up our whole daytime sky. It is the most important star for us, for every person and animal on Earth. Let us discover more amazing things about our fantastic sun, our star. Really, really big. The sun looks small in our sky, but that is because it is very far away. In real life, the sun is huge. It is so big it is hard to imagine. It is much, much bigger than Earth. Think about a tiny, tiny pea. Now think about a giant beach ball. Earth is like the tiny pea. The sun is like the giant beach ball. That is how different their sizes are. You could fit many Earths inside the sun. Not just 1 or 2 Earths, not even 100 Earths. You could fit over 1 million Earths, imagine that. 1 million planets like ours, all fitting inside that giant star. The sun is truly a giant in space. It is the biggest thing in our solar system. Nothing else around here is as big. It is a massive, glowing sphere. Because the sun is so big, it is very powerful. Its bigness gives it a strong pull. This pull is called gravity. The sun's gravity holds on to Earth. It holds on to all the other planets too, like Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn. They all travel around the sun. They follow a path like a racetrack. The sun's bigness keeps them in line. It keeps our solar system tidy and working. So the sun is not just bright. It is also incredibly enormous. A true giant of space, far bigger than worlds. Its size is one reason it is so important. It helps control everything around it. It is like a gentle giant, though, giving us light and keeping us safe as we journey through space with it. Its massive size is truly amazing. A wonderful fact about our star. A giant ball of gas. What is this giant sun actually made of? Is it made of rock, like Earth? No, the sun is very different. It is not solid like our planet. The sun is a giant ball of hot gases. Really, really hot gases, burning bright. These gases are mostly 2 kinds. One is called hydrogen, the other is called helium. These are the main things in the sun. Think of a giant fiery balloon, but instead of air, it has these gases. The hydrogen is like fuel for the sun. Deep inside the sun it gets squeezed and becomes very hot. This changes the hydrogen into helium. This change makes a lot of energy. It makes light and it makes heat. This is how the sun shines so brightly and how it stays so very hot. The sun has been burning like this for ages, for billions and billions of years. And it will keep burning for a long time. It has so much hydrogen fuel, enough to last for billions more years, so we do not need to worry. The sun will keep shining for us. It will keep giving us light and heat every day for a very long time. Our gassy star is very reliable. So, the sun is not a solid ball. It is a swirling, churning ball of hot gas. Hydrogen and helium are its main parts. They work together to create energy. This energy travels out into space. It reaches us here on Earth. This is what makes the sun shine, and what makes it so powerful. A giant glowing ball of burning gas, our very own amazing gassy star. The sun's amazing heat. We know the sun gives us warmth, but just how hot is the sun? The answer is incredibly hot, much hotter than anything on Earth. You cannot even imagine this heat. The outside part of the sun is called its surface. Even this surface is super hot. It is thousands of degrees Celsius, many times hotter than a hot oven, or even hotter than fire we see. But the surface is not the hottest part. Deep inside the sun, it is even hotter. The very center of the sun is called the core. The core is the hottest place of all. It is millions of degrees Celsius there. That is where the sun makes its energy, where hydrogen turns into helium. This amazing heat is what powers the sun. It makes the sun glow so brightly, and sends heat all the way to Earth. Think about a summer day. The sun feels warm on your skin. That warmth has traveled a long way, all the way from that super hot sun, across millions of miles of space. It is amazing that we can feel it. Even from so far away, it warms us. This shows how powerful the sun's heat is. It is strong enough to warm our whole planet, making Earth a comfortable place to live. So the sun is not just warm, it is unbelievably, incredibly hot, especially at its core, its very center. This heat is essential for the sun to shine, and for it to send energy to us. It is a giant furnace in the sky, burning brightly and fiercely, giving us the warmth we need. The sun's temperature is truly awesome, a star burning with amazing power. Section 5. Sunshine. Earth's special light from the sun. The sun does not just give us heat, it also gives us something very important. It gives us light. We call it sunshine. Sunshine is what makes our days bright. Without sunshine, it would always be dark, like nighttime all the time. Imagine a world with no daytime. That is what it would be like without the sun. Sunshine helps us see everything around us. The trees, the sky, our friends. The light from the sun travels very fast. It is the fastest thing there is. But the sun is very far away, so its light still takes time to reach Earth. It takes about 8 minutes for sunshine to travel from the sun to us. So when you see the sun's light, that light started its journey 8 minutes ago. It is like a tiny time traveler, bringing brightness from our star. Sunshine is made of many colors, even though it looks white or yellow to us. If you pass sunshine through a special glass called a prism, you can see the colors. You will see red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. These are the colors of the rainbow. A rainbow is just sunshine, spread out so we can see its colors. Isn't that a beautiful secret of light? So sunshine is a wonderful gift from our very own star, the sun. It makes our world bright and colorful. It travels super fast to reach us. It helps us see and explore our world. It even has hidden colors inside it. Sunshine is more than just light, it is energy that helps our planet. We are lucky to have the sun's light shining down on us every single day. Section 6. Warmth for our world. The sun's gentle hug. The sun's heat is very powerful. We learned it is super hot up close, but here on Earth it feels just right. Most of the time, it is not too hot, and not too cold for us to live. This is because Earth is a special distance away from the sun, not too close so we do not burn up, and not too far so we do not freeze. It is like Earth has the perfect spot. The sun's warmth keeps our planet cozy. It warms the air around us, it warms the land and the oceans. This warmth is so important for water. It stops all the water from freezing into ice. We need liquid water to drink. Plants and animals need it too. The sun's heat helps keep water flowing, in rivers, lakes, and vast oceans. This makes life on Earth possible. Think about the seasons we have. Summer is warm because our part of Earth is tilted towards the sun. We get more direct sunlight and heat. Winter is cold because our part of Earth is tilted away from the sun. We get less direct sunlight and heat. The sun's warmth creates these changes, making different times of the year feel different. It is all thanks to our amazing sun. So, the sun's heat is like a gentle hug for our entire planet Earth. It keeps us at a good temperature, not too hot and not too cold. It keeps our water as a liquid, and it even gives us our seasons. This warmth is essential for life. Without it, Earth would be a frozen ball. We are very lucky to have the sun's warmth. It makes our world a lovely place. Section 7. Life Giver, how the sun helps everything grow. The sun's light and warmth do amazing things. They do more than just help us see, and more than just keep us warm. The sun helps things to live and grow. It is like a life giver for Earth, especially for plants big and small, from tiny blades of grass to giant, tall trees in the forest. All plants need the sun to live. They need its light to make their food. Plants have a special trick. They use sunlight to make their own food. This amazing trick is called photosynthesis. It is a big word, but it is very important. Plants take in sunlight, water, and air, and they turn it into sugary food. This food helps the plants grow strong. It helps them make leaves and flowers, and fruits and vegetables too. So, sunshine helps make the food we eat. When plants make their food, they also make something else. They make the air we breathe. Plants release a gas called oxygen. We humans need oxygen to live. Animals need oxygen to live too, so plants use sunlight to make food, and they give us oxygen to breathe. This means the sun helps us breathe. It is all connected in a wonderful way. The sun, plants, and us. So, the sun is truly a life giver. It helps plants make their own food. And this food also feeds many animals. And it feeds us humans too. Plants also give us the oxygen we need. All thanks to the power of the sun. Without the sun, there would be no plants. And without plants, there would be less food and much less oxygen for us to breathe. Our sun is essential for all life on Earth. Section 8. The sun's exciting features, flares and spots. Our sun is mostly a steady star. It shines brightly for us every day. But sometimes it has exciting things happen on its very hot surface. These are like the sun's special features. One of these features is called sunspots. Sunspots are darker, cooler spots on the sun. Cooler still means very, very hot, just not as hot as the areas around them. They look like little dark dots on the sun. Sunspots can be very big. Some are even bigger than planet Earth. They do not stay in one place. They move across the sun's surface, and they do not last forever. Sometimes they last for a few days. Sometimes they last for a few weeks. Scientists study sunspots carefully. They help us learn more about our sun and how it works its magic. Another exciting feature is a solar flare. A solar flare is a giant burst of energy. It is like a huge explosion on the sun. Suddenly, a bright flash of light appears, and lots of energy shoots out into space. These flares are very powerful. They send out tiny particles traveling fast. Sometimes these particles can reach Earth. They can affect our satellites in space, and even cause beautiful lights in our sky. These lights are called auroras. You might know them as the northern lights or the southern lights near the South Pole. They are colorful, dancing lights in the sky, caused by the sun's exciting activity. So, even though the sun is far away, its flares can create beauty on Earth. The sun is always active and changing. It is not just a calm, steady ball of light. It has its own exciting weather and events. Section 9, our amazing life-giving sun, the star of our lives. So, we have learned so much about our wonderful sun, our star. It is not just a light in the sky, it is the heart of our solar system. A giant, powerful, and amazing star. It is so big 1,000,000 Earths could fit inside. Imagine that incredible, vast size. It is made of super hot gases, hydrogen and helium, burning bright, creating all its light and all its heat. The sun's temperature is truly mind-boggling, thousands of degrees on its surface and millions of degrees at its core. This heat and light travel across space, reaching Earth in about 8 minutes, giving us our bright, sunny days, and the warmth that makes Earth livable. It keeps our planet at just the right temperature. Not too hot and not too cold. Perfect for life to flourish here. The sun is a true life giver. It helps plants grow through photosynthesis. This process gives us food to eat, and it gives us oxygen to breathe, so the sun helps every living thing from the smallest flower to the biggest whale, and it even has exciting features like sunspots, the darker, cooler areas, and solar flares, giant bursts of energy that can paint our skies with auroras. Our sun is so very important. It is more than just a star. It is our star, our life source. It shapes our world in countless ways. It gives us day and night and seasons. It gives us food, warmth, and light. It truly is the star of our lives. So next time you see the sun shining, remember how amazing and special it is, our incredible, life-giving, wonderful sun.